How to log into Amazon A to Z employee account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a web browser on your device. I'm using Google Chrome for this demo. Using the address bar at top of the screen, type in Amazon A to Z employee account. Or simply you can type in Amazon A to Z employee and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on this result page where you need to click on the first official link, that is Amazon A to Z login. Click on the very first link and you will be landed on the official interface of Amazon A to Z account. First of all, you have to enter your Amazon alias and click on the login button. And then you have to proceed by entering your password. In case you forget the password, you will get the link simply underneath that and then you can recover your password. After that, once you have filled in all your login credentials, you will successfully log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.